Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm Tom, and I'm here with Michelle Fadia. She's a licensed professional counselor. Hi, Michelle. Welcome.
Hi, Tom. Thank you.
So, what do we know already about anxiety?
Well, we know now that anxiety is the leading mental health illness among adolescents. And since the pandemic, it's just skyrocketed. So it's very scary to think about how many of our children are really struggling with anxiety these days.
So, if we're aware that the anxiety is there and we don't do anything about it, what can happen there?
Well, we now know that anxiety that's not treated can lead to depression. This is because the anxiety feeling can be so overwhelming, and on a day-to-day basis, if children are having to live with this feeling, it can get frustrating, and eventually they're going to start feeling hopeless. So we know that once anxiety symptoms start showing up, we have 5 to 7 years to intervene and teach kids skills for managing their anxiety before we're going to start seeing depression show up.
So, what does anxiety cause us to do?
Anxiety causes people to overestimate the risk of something and underestimate their resources. So if I'm thinking about going to someone's house and I start worrying about if I get there, what if I get sick? What if I say something stupid and people will laugh at me? What if I trip and fall? In my mind, I start imagining every bad thing that could happen to me if I go to this person's house. So I've actually overestimated the risk of just going to someone's house. And I'm underestimating my resources for handling it. So if I do say something and people laugh at me, I can laugh along with them. If I do trip and fall, I can just get up and say I'm okay. We have resources to help us when the unexpected happens, but anxiety causes us to lose confidence in our ability to manage through everyday activities.
So, how does someone with anxiety learn to manage their response to it?
We can learn skills that will reduce the anxiety response. We can learn skills that will keep our mind from going to worst case scenario. And we can learn skills to help us gain the confidence that we can handle whatever comes up. And so working with a professional to learn these skills, there's a lot of self-help books out there. There's a lot of information online. So definitely anybody who's struggling with anxiety, it's really just a skill-based treatment to learn how to manage anxiety when it shows up.
Okay, so if you have questions about anxiety, be sure to contact your own mental health care provider.
Or you're more than welcome to contact me at michellefadias.com, and my phone is 210-926-9535. I'll be happy to answer your questions and to provide you with resources to help with managing anxiety.
Okay, thanks, Michelle.
Thank you, Tom.